Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother HL-L3220 CDW printer driver download and installation and scanner also. So guys, first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and then in the result this is officially website support.com.support.brother.com. This is officially website, so you have to download driver only this website, okay, and then click on it. Now this is the Windows and Mac also, Linux also, and for mobile also driver. So select the Windows and select then operating system Windows 11, Windows 10, 30 and 64-bit also there, server also there. So in the Windows the all operating system installations process same, so you can see this video and you can install easily, okay. Yeah, select your operating system, then click to OK. After that you can see this is first easy and installations full with software pack. So if you need the brother software, so you can click on easy and then you can install. Otherwise slow down, this is also software pack. If you need only driver, so slow down, you can see the printer driver and click on it. Scroll down and then click to download, then it will start downloading in the download box. You can see here, and this is almost 30 MB. Okay, after it's completed, then you can see this icons. Click on this icon, it will open this location where it is downloaded. And if it not open, so come on this come on this locations where it is your downloaded driver, then right click to open, and after that it will extract on same locations, you can see, and click to OK. So you can open this file, and this is your printer driver. Come to back and minimize, but before the installations guys, on your printer and connect to your desktop and laptop via printer USB cable, and then click to start, then click setting. Now this is the installations process, then click Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, and then click to add device. So after the add device, it will open the manual option. Click on manual option. So it's different way you can install this printer, share printer name, printer IP, and if this is already connected to network, and this is the Bluetooth network, and this is the last one is local and manual. Okay, select this, then next. By default take this port, next, and then click to have disk, then click to browse. Now go to the download. So this is folder is created, open it, select .inf file, okay, and then click to open, click to OK. Now find out this printer HL-L3220 CDW, okay, this series, this is your printer. Then next, now this is printer is installing, okay, then next, and finish it. Now you can see this is your printer installed, but guys, need to restart your printer and your system also, and after that come on same locations to click the test page, and it will come test page, means this is successfully installed, okay. So if you are getting any issue regarding printer installation, so please comment me. I will create another video and I will guide you also. Thank you.